Now let's crochet small lily of the valley. It's the same. Start with a magic ring. Make a circle, pinch the crossing position with the middle finger and thumb. Insert the crochet hook into the circle. Bring it through. Crochet 1 chain stitch. Insert the hook into the circle. Bring the hook out from top to bottom. At this time, there are 2 loops on the crochet hook. Bring them out together. The crochet hook goes from front to back. Bring it out from bottom to top. Put a stitch marker on the first stitch. Then crochet the second stitch. When you crochet, the hook faces down. Bring it out. Bring it out again. These are 2. Now crochet the third one. The fourth one. The fifth one. The sixth one. 6 in total. Tighten the loop. Pull through at the first stitch. Pull through. Crochet 1 chain stitch. Next, crochet 2 single crochets in 1 stitch. Put on a stitch marker. One single crochet. In the next stitch, 1 single crochet. 2 single crochets. The third stitch, 1 single crochet. 2 single crochets. Two single crochets. 1 single crochet. 2 single crochets. In the sixth stitch, 1 single crochet. 2 single crochets. Remove the stitch marker. Pull through at the first stitch. For the third round, first crochet 1 chain stitch. For the third round, it is 1 single crochet and 1 increase. Put on a stitch marker. 1 increase. This is 1 group. Next, 1 single crochet. 1 increase. This is 2 groups. For the third group, 1 single crochet. 1 increase. Then crochet the fourth group, 1 single crochet. 1 increase. For the fifth group, 1 single crochet. 1 increase. For the sixth group, 1 single crochet. 1 increase. Pull through at the first stitch. Crochet 1 chain stitch. Crochet 1 single crochet without increase or decrease. For the 4th round, crochet single crochets without increase or decrease. 2 single crochets. 3 single crochets. 4, 5, 'This yarn end can be cut off. 8, 9, 10, 13, 14, 15. This one. 17, 18. Put on a stitch marker. Crochet 1 chain stitch. Crochet 1 single crochet at the first stitch. This is the 5th round. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For the 5th round, 1, 2. 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Eat chicken. 18. Pull through. Crochet 1 chain stitch. For the 6th round, crochet 1 single crochet. Put on a stitch marker. Two single crochets. 4, 5, 6, 7, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 17, 'Pull through at the first stitch. Crochet 1 more round. For the 7th round, 1 single crochet. Put on a stitch marker. 2 single crochets, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 18. Pull through at the first stitch. Crochet 1 chain stitch. For the 8th round, 1 single crochet, 1 decrease. Let's learn the crochet method of decrease. For decrease, pick up these 2 stitches, the half stitch closer to each other. C. Insert into this half stitch. Continue the next half stitch again. Pull it out. Bring out the 2 loops together. This is the decrease stitch. In the next stitch, crochet 1 single crochet. Then crochet a decrease stitch. Pull it out. Bring it out. In the next stitch, crochet 1 single crochet. A decrease stitch. In the next stitch, 1 single crochet. A decrease stitch. One single crochet. A decrease stitch. In the next stitch, 1 single crochet. A decrease stitch. Pull through at the first stitch. Let's crochet the 9th round. First crochet 1 chain stitch. The 9th round is 2 crochet petals. Let's take a look at the crochet method of petals. First crochet 1 single crochet. Put on a stitch marker. Then crochet 1 half double crochet. Crochet 1 double crochet. This is half of a petal. Let's crochet the next one. 1 double crochet. One half double crochet. 1 single crochet. This is 1 petal. 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, 1 half double crochet, 1 single crochet. Crochet according to this pattern. 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, 1 half double crochet. 1 single crochet. These are 2 petals. The third petal, 1 single crochet and 1 half double crochet. 1 double crochet. 1 double crochet. 1 half double crochet. 1 single crochet. Let's crochet the fourth petal. 1 single crochet. 1 half double crochet. 1 double crochet. The next one. 1 double crochet. 1 half double crochet. 1 single crochet. Let's crochet the fifth one. 1 single crochet. 1 half double crochet. 1 double crochet. 1 double crochet. 1 half double crochet. 1 single crochet. For the sixth petal, 1 single crochet. 1 half double crochet. 1 double crochet. In the next stitch, 1 double crochet. 1 half double crochet. 1 single crochet. Cut off the yarn. This is crocheted. Invisibly pull through and the first stitch here is the same. This should be from here. From this side. Come over and then from this side. Hide the yarn. Hide it a little bit and it's fine. This lily of the valley is crocheted. There are a total of 6 petals.